Hi, I swear this intro won't be like a year long like my others. I just wanted to say thanks for all the love and support. It means so much to me. Shoehorn for life. Shoehorn for life. Shoehorn for life. Shoehorn for life. Hello, I am EXO's star Beekhyun. Please go to this website right now. www.givebeekhyunmoney.com. This money will go towards a very charitable cause. You see, my boyfriend Chanel was supposed to buy me a Lamborghini, but he got pneumonia. I hope to capitalize on this by telling everyone there was a funeral. But when Chanel stood up in his casket, everyone freaked out. They took my money. Please help a poor boy out and give him the money to get a new car. I mean, get his boyfriend back on his feet. I literally never told Beekhyun I would get him a Lamborghini. He was on Tao's Instagram and saw his many pictures that feature expensive cars. He turned to me and said, "Chanel, don't you love me?" And I said, "Of course." And he said, "Then buy me a car like Tao has." And then I said, "I don't have enough money because SM sucks." Beekhyun is a whiny brat. He doesn't need a Lamborghini because he makes Chanel drive him places anyway. Chanel does it because he loves Beekhyun. I don't know why, although I do admit, I did like seeing Chanel's casket being lowered into the ground. I felt relief. It was like the screaming in my head was finally silenced. Hello and thank you KFC for inviting me on this interview. I am excited to try all of your new types of chicken. Wait, this interview isn't about chicken? Is it about Kyungsoo? It's about Beekhyun? Do I at least get chicken for participating? No, I'm out. Look at my dog. Look at my dog. Do you see my dog? Look at. I did hear about Beekhyun's tantrum. I laughed. I'm telling you Beekhyun, you can get a fancy and expensive car too. All you have to do is leave SM because they suck. Lamborghinis are ugly. I don't want to talk about stupid cars. Let's talk about coffee. For example, my favorite is an iced Americano. Luhan's favorite was a double shot mocha with sprinkles of cinnamon and pumpkin with whipped. Being the only Chinese is very hard. It all started when Chris, Luhan, and Tao left. I felt very sad because even though I speak Korean, the boys would laugh at me sometimes because I accidentally said bad words. What was the question again? Beekhyun is the dumbest person to ever live. I've never met anyone more dumber than him. I just want all the children to get along. Every week, I get my subscription to Parent Magazine. I circle the important articles. Last week there was a fun mommy life hack about mops. I tried it and somehow it ended with Jongin needing to go to the emergency room. I packed emergency room snacks. They were healthy, of course. I've read all the parenting books, but there's no section about what to do if your child pretends another child died so he gets money for a Lamborghini. Help me please.
I'm Tian, Beekhyun's ex-girlfriend. He made me wear my hair in a bun and talk in a deep voice so he could pretend I was Chanel. I heard about the whole Lamborghini thing, and I think it's ridiculous. Beekhyun doesn't even have his license. For every date, I was the one who picked him up. It became very pathetic. He was cute, but also he tried doing EGIO on me. It was honestly revolting. I still have nightmares.
So I'm thinking the next video will be a Q&A with EXO. You can leave your questions in the comments, and if you want a specific member to answer you can add that. If this doesn't get much feedback, it probably won't happen yet, but I plan on it sometime because I think it's a fun idea. See you again.